Hello everyone, we welcome you on Westack OS, and today we are having a hands-on video of OnePlus 60, a violet color hands-on review. OnePlus have its own policies to launch other color variants by step to get the popularity of a device within the market. Everything is same with the processor and the RAM and storage variant with this device rather than color. Something that makes unique this device is its architectural of back cover, which comes with the shiny S in shadows. The phone comes with the same RAM variant and the same processor capacity and the same everything in box content. You can get somehow anything new, but this is the priority of the market of OnePlus 60. So you just don't need to expect that all the things will come to all the markets from OnePlus 60. I am really very big thankful to Jerry Rig Everything for revealing the front camera of fingerprint sensor of OnePlus 60, which gives us the newest technology invention from OnePlus 60, and it comes with the newest things we can do in technology market with smartphones, and we can adjust a camera under the display for having the selfie cameras, so there is no need of a front camera above the notch, and there is no need of any notch. This is the invention of OnePlus 60 is very good. Thanks for being with us. Please subscribe our channel and like and comment and share, please. Thanks for watching.